to help out each other. The Rebbe says in Kutamara Chelik Aleph Simen Kuvov 101 in Kutamara 106, chapter 106, that tzedakah not necessarily means money. Tzedakah means anything to help out the other one. This is called tzedakah. You see, a person is depressed, a person is broken, and you smile for him, accept him with a smile. That's the biggest tzedakah could be. Because when a person is depressed and he feels lonely, he feels bitter, he feels everybody is against him, even Hashem is against him. God forbid, or a person when he's depressed, he sees only black. And all of a sudden comes a person with a smile, how are you doing? He speaks with him. This means more than money. How? You can see it when a person lies in bed, miserable, with a huge despair completely. I don't want to leave, I want to die. You go over there. What's with you? Leave me alone, I want to die. What's the problem? What's the problem? I told you, leave me alone. I want to die. Give me $10,000. Tell me, you don't understand? I want to die. I don't want to speak with you. Get lost. Give $50,000. Get up, come, I want to speak with you. Leave me alone and go away. I give you $1 million. Tell me, you don't understand that I'm speaking to you? I want to die. Leave me alone. I don't want to be in this world. So, a person comes and sits, and starts to joke around with him and helped him out, all kinds of stories. He took away his mind from years. Despair, water, and started telling stories. And he got him out from bed. He's sitting, he's speaking, and slowly, he took him out from despair. Now you see that money means nothing. When a person wants to die, when a person is so miserable and feels that it's the end of the world, he don't need money, you cannot help him. So we see now at tzedakah it's higher than the money. So the Rebbe explains this what David HaMelech says, Ashrei maskil al dor. Best should be a person brings in seichel and a poor person. What's a poor person? He has no seichel, he's miserable. So tzedakah means to help out each other. Helping the other one don't mean always money. Good word. So Chazal saying on the posuk, "Veleven shinayim micholov." When a person shows his white teeth, but the other one he smiles, it's more than he give him a glass of milk. Comes winter, I feel cold, give him a hot glass of milk. This is, you saved me, saved my life. Oh, comes summer, it's hot, I want a drink. He gave him a glass of milk, a cold glass of milk. You saved me. But the Mohorosh says, if you smile to the other one, he sees your white teeth, it's more than you gave him a glass of milk. Because to smile to each other, a person sees you care about me. When a person falls in despair, in years, he feels everybody's after him. Everybody hates him. And when a person holds like this, he could commit suicide, God forbid. Because everybody is against me. So what's the purpose I should live in this life, in my life? What's the purpose I should live in this world? I should lie. Everybody hates me. biggest mitzvah to save a person, take out a person from despair, from news, from miserable, show her the beauty of life. What's the beauty of the life? A person has faith in Hashem, and he believes that Hashem is here, and he speaks to Hashem. This is one of the nicest presents we got from the Rebbe, the Breslev Rebbe's Rusin Aleni, that he brought in the world, present for the world. This present Mashiach will deliver for the whole world. It written Apostle in Tzvanye, Prophet Tzvanye, כעוז הפך על כל העמים סוף ברורה לקרוא אל Hashem. All the nations will speak to Hashem. What do you mean you speak to Hashem? People think that Hashem hides himself somewhere in heaven. Hashem is here in this world. Nothing in the world exists without Hashem. We cannot see it with our flesh eyes, especially when my eyes is not pure. I saw all the dirtiest things, all the dirtiest movies in the world, all the schmutz, more some niyuf, immorality. So how can you see spiritual when your eyes looked at the all immorality? Chachamei Nation saying that it's a horror is shown on a person only by the eyes. If the eyes are looking immorality, a person will do the worst thing which could do, masturbation, Shem Yishmor, and this kills your mind. You cannot think anymore spiritual, especially when a person does immorality. And this is started with the eyes. Therefore we see, the Rebbe says in the Kutamara, Chelik, Aleph, Simen, Reish, Mem, Beis, that a person, wherever he looks, he has to see Hashem. He should see the spiritual from everything in this world. This will be when Mashiach will come. But now, before Mashiach comes, the opposite, a person sees all the immoralities. There was never such a generation like our generation. We are close to Mashiach shall come and redeem the Jewish people in the whole world. So Zenu Mazeh, the opposite. They have all kind of garbage you could have in your house, in your home. Where's the Dor HaMabul? Dor HaMabul was immorality, the whole world. But everybody was in this village, in the city. Today, with a little iPad, with a little internet, you could see what's doing all around the world. And the worst could be that a person looks at this garbage. Also has to come to masturbation, which this kills a person's mind and takes him away from complete thinking about Hashem. So, therefore the Rebbe teaches us, a person has to be so strong in faith in Hashem